This tutorial review will show you how to share iPhone screen to laptop. So if you want to mirror your iPhone screen, then you have to install a software on your Windows PC. The software name is Lonely Screen. So open this website lonelyscreen.com/download and you will jump into this page. Now here you have to click on download for Windows. Once it's downloaded, you have to install this small software on your computer, then launch the Lonely Screen and here click on it to change your server name. And now go to your iPhone. On your iPhone, open Control Center and here tap on this icon and you will get the Lonely Screen server here. So tap on that. Once you connect it, here you will get your iPhone screen. So this is how we can connect iPhone screen or share iPhone screen to Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.